21. So we're 21, 22. What is it? Hey, where are we at? Are we on the train? Yeah? Are we gonna have some hot chocolate afterwards? We are? Do you like hot chocolate? What do you like in your hot chocolate?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream? What about marshmallows?
Marshmallows.
You love marshmallows too? Georgie likes whipped cream and marshmallows too.
Yeah, I don't. I do.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah? Can I have some of that? Am I allowed to have some of that? Or is it kids only? Be nice. You can share. Really? We're moving. Oh wow. Here we go. Elon is scared out of his mind. You can tell.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, you're not scared?
No.
Good, good. Freaking out. We're saying choo choo, choo choo. Whoa, that was loud. That scared you? That scared you a little bit? Wait for a bird.
See you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does not like this song.
Yes, I do.
Right. Look out, Carrie. Look, come here. Kind of chilly, huh? But look, we're right over the edge of the bridge. Look, we're all the way stopped right on the edge. Look at the edge.
I don't want to.
You should.
I don't want to. I look
Hi, Birdie.
You should.
Hazel, you guys
Close
come
that
back
door
inside.
so you can like not
Come back
bring all the
inside.
cold. Pretty.
Fun meters are paid. How's Apple's treating you?
Good. How's your apple tree?
Oh,